when you want to look at the bigger picture between Governor Obaseki and Adams Oshiomhole, Governor Obaseki is insisting that, Mr. Chairman, we from Edo State, we have suspended you as the national chairman. Stop parading yourself as the national chairman. Meanwhile, the national chairman is still representing the party, still holding NWC meeting, and still consulting with the president. I don't know. Who is the joker here?
Sometimes I wonder who are the people really consulting for Obaseki. The issues on ground aside, as a governor who got elected into such a coveted office on the platform of a political party, one will expect that he will have read the constitution and the other books of that political party. The simplest question to ask Mr. Obaseki is, what does your party constitution say about this your argument? The party constitution of APC clearly states who can suspend who, or who can what is the other word, dismiss or remove from the party. The national officials of the party cannot be suspended by even the state chapter. That's what their constitution says. They can only be suspended by the NEC and not even the NWC, the NEC.
NEC, the bigger house.
The biggest house. That is what the constitution says. That somebody in Oshiomole's mode, even a vice chairman, even the spokesperson of the party, the auditor at the national level, cannot be suspended by a state governor of chapter. Just like a state executive or a state chairman cannot be suspended by his ward or his local government. You will recommend his suspension from his ward. Okay. Because
let me take this call from Kwara State. Kaide is calling us from Kwara State. Thank you for joining us, Kaide.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead with your contribution.
Yeah, my contribution is this.
The audio is challenging. I can't hear Kaide.
So you understand? So the governor, I believe, should know all this. And if he is aware of this and he's still making such unserious...
He remains suspended.
When you know
party
that...
leader...
I mean, nobody is faulting the fact that he's the party leader in Edo State. Is he the party leader at the national level? If no, can he suspend the national chairman? Was Oshiomhole elected national chairman by the Edo contingent alone? The answer is no. So we should stop carrying on futile exercises. I will expect that Mr. Governor will channel his argument constructively, not engage in these jokes, because between the two of them, Obaseki is obviously the joker when it comes to the issue of who is suspended. Look at it. The chairman of the party in the state was suspended by a faction, and the national leadership upheld it. Ojezua is no longer recognized as the state chairman of APC in Edo. That's the man the governor is claiming has suspended the national chairman. There was a meeting of NEC. The president, everybody was there. Ojezua was sent back. The other fellow recognized by Oshiomhole attended. And you sit in your corner of Edo State and you claim you have suspended the man who is calling the shot until a time when Oshiomhole loses steam and is no longer in charge of the solution of this crisis. But whoever is interested in the resolution of this crisis and is not telling the parties the truth is being unfair. The truth here is that Mr. Governor should know that on his own, or Edo as a state cannot suspend or impeach or remove Oshiomhole. He needs external forces. And if he thinks he has external support, it is always about interest. The moment Oshiomhole is able to convince those supporting him now that he will serve their interest, they will back out of this. And it is Obaseki who has an election just in front of him.
2020.
Not any other governor backing him. And he should remember what happened in Lagos State. It's a fresh memory, the Ambode saga, where the party now, one thing we have gained in Nigeria is the party is appearing supreme, really, really supreme. It happened in Lagos. We saw it playing out in Kwara, where the party can now decide, look, this is what we want. Either a sitting governor is satisfied with it or not. he should be conscious of how will he fare when the chips are down. You want to fight the big masquerade? You think because you have patronages to dole out,
Dispense?
it will see you through? It may not. People shouting, crucify Oshiomhole now are doing so because Obaseki is the one controlling the resources. The moment they are sure that the pendulum will swing elsewhere, he will abandon the governor, and then his political ability to matchmake and reach out will be left as the only thing. It is not enough to say he has support. He may have support, but those support, will it be enough for him to scale this ordeal? That's the question begging for an answer.
Okay, moving on now. Nigeria's troubled northeast continues to suffer